Hello everybody, my name is Sunni Holden and today we are going to be illustrating some very complex handpan artistry with this advanced groove. Let's dive in. We are going to start off by playing the dung, most commonly known as the ding, with our right hand finger. Note 1 with our left hand thumb, and then 2 ghost notes after that, alternating hands. The ghost notes will be played on the tone field of the ding. Let's put this together. Now we are going to add a crack with our right hand knuckle on the interstitial of the instrument. Let's add 2 more ghost notes, alternating hands. Now we are going to play note 6 with our left hand finger, a ghost note with our right hand finger, and then note 4 with our left hand thumb. Let's put this together. Once more. Let's add 2 more ghost notes and then a crack again. Another ghost note, and then we're going to play note 5 with our right hand finger and then note 6 with our left hand finger. Let's put all of this together. So basically what we have just added is, let's put it together once more. Great job everybody. Let's play this twice before we move on to the next part of this groove. Again. Great job. We're going to play this twice and then we're going to do the exact same thing but replace note 1 with note 2, like this. 1, 2, 1. Great job everybody. Now it's time for the final stage of this tutorial, and that is to replace the ghost note that comes before the crack with a 3-finger roll with the left hand, like this. Basically, we're just going to be doing this, just doing our ring finger onto our middle finger onto our index finger, but really fast like this on the tone field of the ding. Let's practice this. Now let's add it into our groove. Let's speed this groove up just a little bit to add a vibe and really lock this in. Great job everybody. I really hope this helps you on your handpan journey and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.